Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artorai.com. Another quick and simple video today on easy and quick card making formulas. So this one is if you have lots of patterns that you like but are a bit busy and you don't want to throw them out but you don't want them to take up the whole card as well, you can just use this very simple formula which basically involves a card. You can have it landscape or portrait, whatever you like. And basically it just involves a strip in the middle of your pattern paper with die cuts, sentiments, decorations. Very, very simple to do. I've got another one ready to go here. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I do know that I want it portrait. So I'm going to have that there, and then I'm going to start figuring out what to put on where. This probably won't be accurate because I wanted to get this video done quite quickly because I am extremely busy today. Yeah, that paper hasn't been cut straight, as you can see at the bottom there, but never mind. It's just to show you how to do it. This is some paper that I printed off the other day when I was showcasing my new EcoTank printer. I'll leave the link to that in the description. Right, so when it comes to putting your strip on your pattern paper, you can do it like you did with this one. Put it in the middle there, straight across in landscape mode. You could have a single strip like that, where you could emboss it if you want for a little bit of extra interest. You could have it there, you could have it there. You can put it where you like. You could have it diagonally if you wanted. Put it like that. Like that. It's just entirely up to you. So I've cut out several pieces of card and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet. So I cut out that, and I cut out, I think it was that to go on there, similar to the other card, but I'm not sure I want that now. I'm thinking I might have something a bit fussier in the middle, something like that. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like that. So I think what I might do is just put that in the middle there. And I've got a couple of leaves that I cut out ages ago from, I can't even remember where it was from. Some technique I was doing, I just cut out leaves from the pattern. And I do have a sentiment that I can put in there like that, I suppose. Yeah, for the sake of this video I think I'll just do that. I can use those for something else later, or even another one of these cards. You could of course prop this up with foam if you wanted to. That might look quite nice as well. But you have to be very wary when you're adding lots of layers to a card about how much it's going to cost to send it through the post. That's always a consideration. This card is going to be in no way accurate. It's just, I wanted to show you the technique and then leave it to you to come up with some absolutely wonderful variations. Right, I'm just going to slap on some foam on the back of these die cuts. I would take more care if I was making this card for somebody. It's just, I want to show you how to do it nice and quickly so you don't have to sit through a marathon video. Oh, hang on, get off. I got these from Temu and they are very, very sticky and tacky. So I think what I'll do is I'll cut one in half. In fact, I'll cut a couple in half. I like them hanging just off the edge of the strip. I think it looks quite nice. Do the same with this one. That one going the opposite way, again just hanging off slightly. And I'll just put a couple of dimensionals on there. And there we go. How easy was that? So you can have your pattern paper, you can use your busy pattern papers, but they don't overpower the card if you just break them up a little bit in the middle like that. Let's see what I can put on there just to finish it off. There's my thing, right? haven't any. Oh, I have some brown ones here. I can use these. So there we go. Quick and simple card formula for using up your patterned papers. Very easy. I'm thinking of doing a few more of these, like quick and simple ideas for card making, and just having its own playlist, because there are many different ways you can make very simple cards using very simple formulas, and then you could just knock out loads and loads and loads of them and just package them, gift them, sell them, whatever you wanted to do with them. Very easy. Great for beginners, something like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it's been useful to you. Thank you again and have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.